some table manners and eating rituals in Japanese culture, a reflection of values and identity. First is introduction. Food is more than just nourishment in Japan. It is a reflection of cultural identity, respect, and spiritual connection. Japanese food culture, or wasoku, is globally recognized for its elegance, balance, and deep symbolic. One of the most striking features of Japanese cuisine is its elaborate system of ethics and eating rituals, which revolve core values such as harmony, respect, and mindfulness. Uh, Table manners number one is key table manners in Japan. Japanese, Japanese dining ethic is both practical and symbolic, though it teaches discipline, self-control, and mutual respect. One of the most essential practice is the use of chopsticks or hashi. There are strict rules. First, it is never stick chopstick upright into rice, or this resembles a funeral offering. Two, it is never pass food from chopstick to chopstick. It is another funeral custom. And the last, it is never point with or play with chopsticks. Before eating dinner says itadakimasu, which means I humbly receive. This phrase expresses gratitude not only to the cook but also to the animals, plants, and people involved in preparing the meal. After the meal, food is sama. It is saying thank you for the feast. This expression highlights the Japanese value of appreciating even the smallest acts of service and sacrifice. Table manners number two is rituals and symbolism in meals. Japanese meals are rich in ritual and aesthetic symbolism. For example, the traditional feast meal served in multiple small, carefully arranged bowls. It is much about presentation as it is about taste. Each dish represents the season, the region, and serves artistic expression. This attention to detail reflects the concept of wabi-sabi, or the beauty of imperfection and impermanence. Meals also have a social and hierarchical function. For instance, informal dinners, taking order of and the way dishes and served often follow rules of status and age. It is common to order food or drinks before serving yourself. This shows humility and social awareness. Next.
Okay. 3. Philosophical and religious influences. Japanese cooking customs are deeply influenced by Shinto and Buddhist philosophy. Shinto, the indigenous religion of Japan, emphasizes purity, respect for nature, and ritual. This explains the focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients and practice of cleansing hands before meal. Buddhists, especially Zen Buddhism, introduces the idea of mindfulness and simplicity. The Japanese tea ceremony, for instance, is a spiritual ritual rooted in gentle every moment from preparing the tea to offering it to a guest is carried of a historian of offering it to a guest via attention and purpose. Eating is seen as a moment of reflection, not just consumption. These religious influences also promote modesty and self-discipline. Meals are not time for excess or loud celebration, but for quiet appreciation and respect for life. Even in school, children clean up after the meal and say thanks together, reinforcing the spiritual value of food and order. 4. Contemporary change and challenge. With globalization and Western influences, Japanese eating habits have changed significantly, especially in kitchens. Fast food, Western utensils, and informal dining have become more common, particularly among younger generations. However, traditional etiquette is still preferred in many settings: family dinners, school lunches, religious holidays, and formal gatherings. Many Japanese parents and school continue to teach children proper table manner as part of moral education. Shukan, television, television show, anime, and cultural events often include scan that reinforce these values. Interestingly, while modern life speeds up, eating routinitas and there also growing interest in returning to traditional Western slow food movement. Culture preservation program and the UNESCO recognition of Wosoku as intangible cultural heritage in 2013. Japanese conclusion. Japanese table manner and eating ritual go far beyond politeness. They reflect of profound respect for food, nature, community, and self. From the way chopsticks are handled to the spiritual meaning behind saying itadakimasu, is at, at the table carries cultural significance. This practice, this practice embody Japanese ideals such as harmony, mindfulness, gratitude, and balance. In a world of fast and globalized food culture, Japanese eating rituals offer a timeless lesson: to eat is not just to consume, but to connect with the world, with others, and with ourselves. Thank you.